Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this absolutely immaculate 3-bedroom semi-detached property over on Blandford Road in Eccles. So as you can see to the front, we've got off-road parking, really nice quiet road down here. Now as we enter the property, you're greeted by this welcoming entrance hallway, fantastic space down here, beautiful as soon as you step through, which leads into the open plan kitchen diner. All integrated appliances, fantastic open space here, space for your fridge freezer, and then this leads through to what was a garage conversion, some storage on the left, currently used as a 4th bedroom, would make a brilliant utility space or could be kept as a 4th bedroom with some storage above there. Now, as we head on through, we've got the open plan living area, flooded with natural light, got a log burner and a media wall fitted here. Loads of space for family and entertaining. It's absolutely stunning throughout this property and is immaculate. Now as we head on through to the rear of the property, we've got the conservatory. Again, a fantastic space in here, which leads out onto the garden. Really peaceful back here. Fantastic size. Maintained to a really high standard. Got a decked area. Large shed and paved area at the back. Really low maintenance. Now, as we head on upstairs, you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms, fitted wardrobes to the 2nd bedroom, and a gorgeous family bathroom. So to the front of the property, we've got the smallest of the 3, which is still a fantastic size. Currently used as an office space, could be used as a single bedroom. Then got the front bedroom here, again a fantastic size, got massive wardrobes in, double sized bed, and there's still loads of space around. And then as you head to the back of the property, we've got the bedroom with the fitted wardrobes, overlooking the garden, again a fantastic size in here, really good space. And through to the family bathroom with a 4-piece suite, walk-in shower and bath. Again, really modern, only fitted within the last year. There's a fantastic space throughout here, absolutely gorgeous. You don't come up very often houses like this where they are move-in ready. They do go off the market super quick, so if you would like a viewing, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in.